Welcome to Fat Loud. My name's Kyle, and today we're installing headlight assemblies with demon eyes on this 2009 Cadillac CTS V. If you need a video on how to remove the front bumper cover, there's a good one on Monday Mod's YouTube channel. Go check them out. These are the headlight assemblies from Big Tundra. I went with the halo ring and demon eyes, and we're going to show you how to wire those in. I also went with the tinted out yellow reflector right here, the tinted out daytime running light and turn signal, and the high output LED for the side pipe. This is the driver for the halo ring in the front. We have to wire this in as well as wire in the demon eyes, and we'll show you how to do that here. Alright, to wire in the halo, the white needs to go to this solid green, this yellow needs to go to the blue and white, and then the black needs to go to the thick black ground wire. Wired just like this, or however you want to crimp your wires. Next step, we plug it in. Now if you don't have the halo, it's just a plug and play. You don't have to do any of this wiring. And then we have to plug in the halo, which is right here connected to the driver and in the bottom of the headlight housing. Just like that. And we'll let it set right there, and then install the headlight. Just like that. And then we're going to mount our driver right here on this piece. It'll be covered by our wheel well and shouldn't get wet. The red and black wire comes from the bottom of the housing, but only if you got the demon eye or the multicolor option. We will be wiring this in next. On the passenger side, we ran the power wire to the center of the radiator, and then we ran the ground up to this ground bolt. And then for my switch, which I ran on the inside of the car, I got my power from right here, and then my ground from right here, and ran both of them up into the car. Inside the car, I ran that ground and the power, and then I ran the power from the switch out, and it goes underneath the dash pin right there through that little grommet. From that grommet, I ran the wires up, and I brought a power wire over here, ran it all the way around here into the center. I also brought the red wire from here and brought it to the center, so the passenger side and the driver's side both meet here with that power wire and come right here. The ground for this side is right there. For the driver's side halo, the white goes to a dark blue, the orange goes to a blue and white, same as it does on the passenger side, and then the black goes to the thick ground. And then we're going to plug in our headlight assembly, and don't forget your driver plug. That goes right, go the right way. There we go. And now we get to see how they look. Demon eyes. Okay, daytime running lights. Shit, that looks right. Left turn signal. Right turn signal. Headlights. Big Tundra was awesome to work with. They were very fast at responding to my emails and any questions that I had. The time didn't take too long. I chose to get a core and ship mine back, but you can send yours in and have them rebuild yours and they'll ship them back as well. Just depends on what you want to do. Just get into contact with him. I'll put the link to his email address below or on the screen right here. If you enjoyed this video or if it was helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like it. And until next time, I'm Kyle, and this is Fat and Loud.